Hello, hello. Hi, everybody. What are today's messages? Stop criticizing yourself. You are perfect just the way you are. Yes, you are. Let's shake the dice and see what number we get. Number 3. You cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Jane Goodall. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourself from negativity. Good habits result from resisting temptation. I will be a better me for me. I will focus on peace over drama. I will avoid people who are not good for me. I will set myself goals and work for them. I will be kind, but won't let myself be used. They say before something great happens to you, everything falls apart. Has this ever happened to you? It has for me. And the last one today. Watch your thoughts, for they become words. Watch your words, for they become actions. Watch your actions, for they become habits. Watch your habits, for they become character. Watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. I love that one. All right, thanks for stopping by.